ingredients you will need, you're gonna need garlic powder, salt, fresh black pepper, Parmesan cheese, shredded, not the powder kind, you need it shredded, and Italian seasoning. You're gonna need heavy cream, 2% milk, olive oil. You're gonna need chicken tenderloins. So first, you're gonna cut a half a stick of butter, and you're gonna drop it into your pan. You want your heat medium low. Let that melt. All right, then you're gonna add 2 cups of heavy cream. And you're gonna pour your 2 cups of heavy cream into your butter and turn your fire down to a low heat. You're gonna add 2 cups of milk. You're gonna add your 2 cups of milk to your heavy cream and melted butter. So you're gonna add your Italian seasoning to your heavy cream, milk, and butter. You don't need too much, about a pinch. Then you're gonna add your salt. You're gonna need a little more salt than you do the Italian seasoning. Then you're gonna use your fresh black pepper. Throw in a tad of garlic powder. And lastly, add about a cup of Parmesan cheese. And then you just mix it all together. The Parmesan cheese helps thicken up your sauce. You can add more cheese to thicken up your sauce if it's too thin. Make sure you stir frequently and keep an eye on it so it does not burn. All right, so now you're just gonna cube up your chicken, cut it into small cubes. Make sure you don't cut yourself. Do that for all your chickens. On to the next step we go. All right, so we got our sauce looking good. So now we're gonna go ahead and start on our chicken. We're gonna crank up the heat, medium low heat. Take some olive oil, a generous amount. You don't need too much, it's gonna stretch out. And we're gonna throw our chicken in there and let it cook down. Just drop it in the pan. Make sure you wash your hands before you touch anything else. All right, so you're gonna throw your seasonings in. You're gonna use the same seasonings you used for your sauce. Some salt, your garlic powder, your fresh black pepper, and if you want to, you can throw your Italian seasoning in there too. Mix it around. You want to toss it. Make sure all your seasonings get all the way in the chicken so it tastes better. Keep your eye on the sauce. When it starts bubbling, that means it's almost ready, but don't overcook it or burn it. So you want to get you a big pot and fill it about halfway with water to cook your noodles for your pasta. You can put that on high heat. Don't forget to add a little salt and a little olive oil to your water so your pasta doesn't stick. And to flavor your pasta, that's what the salt does. Stir your sauce, it's almost ready to go. All right, so you're gonna break up your chicken so it's not too big, because I still end up cutting it too big. You gotta make sure you clean it up as you go. It makes the end job easier. You gotta make sure you taste it. All right, so you're gonna get your pasta, break it in half, and drop it right in your hot water, your boiling water. So you're gonna wanna take the top off your noodles and stir them. Make sure they're not sticking together. Keep stirring them. They're not sticking, but they're not done. So you gotta leave them in there, let them keep boiling. So you're gonna check your pasta about 5 minutes later. Looks about done. You're gonna turn your heat off. And you're gonna dump it into your strainer. Now it's plating time. Alright, so first, we're gonna drop our pasta in there. You got a little more if you want. Alfredo sauce. Add our chicken. Some people like extra sauce, so you can put as much as you want. We're gonna cut us up some fresh parsley. Mix this up a little bit more. A little fresh flour, and then we got a couple more pieces of chicken. A couple drops more parsley, and bam, there you go. Demarco's famous chicken Alfredo, ready to go. Right. So here go the moment of truth. See what it tastes like. I'm Chef Marco, and I approve this dish.